Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a lowercase I, and we're going to start off with warming up our hand. I already did this before I started the video. I made a lowercase L, H, K, and T. And all of those letters you'll see touched the bottom, the middle, and the top line. They were nice and tall letters. And today's letter is only going to go to that halfway point. So we're going to do our first letter that only reaches that midway point on our binder paper or on our dotted cursive paper here. I have my book tilted to the right side with the right corner upwards. I'm going to make sure that my elbow is resting on the desk or table. I'm going to make sure that I can see the point of my pencil so I can see what I'm drawing. I'm going to try not to have crazy pencil grips where my thumb goes over or my two fingers go over. I'm going to just use those same two fingers and then roll back my other three. I can go like this really easily, rocking, and I have a nice pencil grip, not too tight, not too hard, just right. So I'm ready to begin today. And remember that I want to keep my eyes a good distance away from the paper. I don't want to have my shoulders hunched over or have my nose almost touching my paper. I want to have relaxed shoulders and sitting up nice and tall, having good posture whenever I'm practicing my cursive. And if you look at the bottom of this letter I, it's similar to that split that we did at the bottom of a T, but it's a little bit higher up. We have a larger empty space triangle here in the bottom section of our I. So I'm going to warm up by following that arrow up to the middle line and out. And this is another letter, there's very few of them, another letter where I lift up my pencil and then dot. So I'm going to practice my I a couple times. Then I'm going to try it out on my own. Each time I dot that I up on the top. So you're going to practice, do 5 or so in each of those lines, and then you're going to come down to the bottom and you're going to see that we have some letters that are doubled up, and then at the very bottom we're going to start doing words for the first time, because with this letter combination we can make some words, which is pretty exciting. Sorry, my hand is in the way there. All right, so we're going to start with an I-L. Notice that I did not lift up my pencil until I was done with my L. Then I go back and dot my I. I do my L, then my I, pick up and dot it. Okay, now when we get down here to the word lit, I'm going to use this space underneath, and I'm going to do an L, then an I, then I'm going to go into that T. Then I lift up my pencil and I dot my I and cross my T. With the word ill, I do my I, then my L, then my L, then I lift up and dot. And again, if you are having trouble with some of these letters and words, please take a moment and trace what you see first, and then you can try it out on your own. So you could now practice the word hill, and sometimes you have room to do 2, and sometimes you only have room to do 1. Okay? You also have the big blank paper on the left hand side of you that doesn't have lines that you could do additional practice on. So you're also going to practice the word kit and the word hit and the word till. So have some fun today practicing your letter I, and I wonder if there's any other words you can make with the letters that we have learned so far with those letter combinations. Now that we have a vowel, we can start making some actual words. Have fun, friends.